LearnLab provides simple and clear theoretical explanations connected to each experiment. The theory helps students understand key chemistry concepts before applying them in practice, making it easier to grasp the basics of chemical reactions. After learning the theory, students move to interactive simulations where they can conduct chemistry experiments step by step. They can adjust parameters such as concentration, volume, and temperature, and observe real-time changes in pH, temperature, and reaction progress. Each experiment includes guided instructions that explain what the student is doing and what is happening at every stage of the reaction. This helps students visually connect theory with real chemical process. The platform includes an AI assistant that provides in-depth explanations for both experiments and theory. Students can ask questions at any time, helping them better understand the material instead of just following instructions. To make learning more accessible, LearnLab supports multiple languages, including Russian, English, and Kazakh. This allows a wider range of students to comfortably use the platform. Each experiment is followed by a short quiz with immediate feedback to reinforce learning. Teachers can also track students' progress in real time, making it easier to monitor understanding and adapt lessons.
As our application was already fully developed, we processed a real-world testing by presenting and demonstrating it in classrooms. We observed how students interacted with the app and consulted with teachers and students to better understand their needs and difficulties. To support our observation, we conducted a survey to collect structured feedback about students challenging in learning chemistry. Seeing that students struggle primarily with visualization and complex theory, we used this data to pivot. Every piece of feedback we received was transformed into a specific feature to make chemistry more accessible and user-friendly. Experiments. Students reported difficulty understanding chemistry without visual examples, and teachers highlighted the most challenging reaction based on the school curriculum. Based on this feedback, we added more targeted experiments to our language accessibility. Some users mentioned that language can be a barrier to understanding the content. To address this, we added support for multiplayer language, including Russian and Kazakh. User interface. During testing, users needed a simple and faster way to navigate this app. Based on this feedback, we designed an intuitive interface to improve user experience. AI application improvement. Students also needed clear explanation of the reactions. Based on this, we improved our AI assistant to provide more simple and understandable explanations. And users, students preparing for chemistry exams, students in school without labs, students willing to improve their understanding with visual, hands-on learning at their own pace, and teachers looking for digital tools.
Yes, we use AI in the development of our application. We use the generative AI platform LearnLab to build the interface and the core functionality, starting from a hand-drawn prototype to define the design and the user flow. We also use tools like DeepSeek and ChatGPT to refine ideas and create structured prompts, improving the accuracy of generated components through iterative testing. At the same time, we develop the scientific content ourselves to ensure accuracy, manually defining the conditions and steps of chemical reactions. As a result, we created a functional prototype that combines simulation, education, and AI-powered support.
Future features: explanations of the middle section, addition of the other subject like preparing for Olympiad, mathematics, biology, physics study, platform like Zero as options.